Hi, welcome for another day of technical analysis where everybody makes money. Wait for our entry, stop loss, and take profit for today's entry. I hope all is well with you and your family. So before we get started, do not forget to click the subscribe button to get this kind of videos, technical analysis daily. Okay? And we have this here, Julian Trading. So this is a QR. You can scan this and you can create an account in Julian for copy trading. I am the one trading. My name is RJ and it is 83.33% win rate. Okay, so yesterday I traded. So we made profit. Okay, yesterday for this short span of trading. So if you want to make money as well with me, I use 100x leverage. Kind of big, right? So you can make money with me as well. Okay, so let's get to the coin. Our coin now is Sol. Okay, Sol. So let's check the weekly time frame. So what do we have here? We are still in the middle of the bull run. Somebody who bought here are already wrecked. Those who bought Sol in 260 in spot wallet are already bleeding. Okay, they're holding red bags. And it's forming head and shoulder, head, shoulder, and then go back to the cycle, bear market. Okay, so head and shoulder. So, for our weekly candle, very bare. Okay, bear candle. We have a bear candle here. Okay, let's check the daily time frame. So what do we have here for our daily time frame? Okay. Okay. So we are in descending wedge breakout. So we have broken out the wedge. Down, falling wedge, falling wedge. When once it's falling, the breakout will always be upside. Okay? So it's from top to bottom and then you pull out here the same exact. Okay? The same exact hit our target. Okay, so this is the breakout. So this is in daily time frame. So for daily time frame, we can see it's consolidating. Okay, we have a strong candle here and then sideways. Okay, so what do we have here? Um, it is still consolidating. So there's a big good support here. Okay, and there's a resistance here that it touched and then it went down. Okay, the resistance. So now we are under the cloud, so we will have problem now to break out this upside. Okay, it will be hard for us to break this upside. But still, the bulls can always try that. Okay. So for the volume is no, still has a volume. So meaning it can still has the potential to go down. So this breakout can mean a fake out. Okay? This breakout can mean a fake out, meaning it will retest here. Okay? It will retest here and then breaks and then continue the downside. And then break out again. Same picture. So this breakout will are here to get the stop loss. Okay? There are stop loss. There are stop loss ready here. So to get their stop loss, then the smart money puts their order here. Okay? Okay, let's go to 4-hour time frame. So how do we trade this one? So how do we trade this one? So in 4-hour time frame, this is a resistance. It's in 1 hour. So in 1 hour time frame, this is the W pattern yesterday. Okay, W pattern yesterday. So the target profit, this one, is here. And it perfectly touched the target profit. So from here, we saw the Bitcoin went down. Okay, the Bitcoin went down. So we place order here for short. Okay, we place order here for short. Imagine the profit that we made. Okay, with my boss. So this is our order here. So what do you see here? You can see a clear picture of head and shoulder, shoulder, head, shoulder. So this is a bad omen. Bad omen for the bulls again. Because once it breaks to the downside, or let's say up to here, this will be the support resistance. Our target will be here. Okay, 165, 645. This is our take profit for Sol. It's already breaking again. So we have broken already the resistance. The support, I mean. Okay. So this is the support and we have broken it. If you want to place order here for short from bottom to top, from bottom to top, so what you do, you place your order here. If the candle closes below this support, then it's a sign. So if the candle ends here, so it's a sign that it can go lower. So if the candles closes below this resistance, you see this support 175. So if it closes below, then it can be money for our golden ratio 166. Take profit in 166. Okay? So if Bitcoin, today is Friday and it's a dump day. Okay, everybody knows it. So it's a dump day. Can you imagine our awesome oscillator predicting the direction? It's going up, right? So we think it's still going up. The next will be like this, higher, higher high. But our awesome oscillator tells us that it's not. Even though it's going up, our awesome oscillator is telling no, it's going down. Okay? So because of this awesome oscillator, we can know that we can short here. Okay? So once you figure out, you see this awesome oscillator like this, you know that the next will not be higher high. Okay, but another low. So now it formed the head and shoulder pattern. Okay? So how do you trade this one? Order here. If it confirms, wait for the EST, 10:30 p.m. EST. 9:30 a.m. EST. It's the stock open trade. So once the stock opens, everybody uses US dollar. So if you are all praying for the collapse of the dollar, it is impossible for now because dollar is not easily can be easily in uh can be easily uh killed or uh inflation. There's no it cannot be inflated that easy because the world is using dollar. Every country is hoarding dollar. Okay, even if the US is printing so many money in their country, it's still being kept in other countries for transaction like Alibaba, other transaction, okay? So it's not what you think. Okay? So you need to rethink your idea about inflation. There are so many preachers about coming collapse of the dollar. It can still hold with this economic system that the US dollar is the global currency. Okay? It's not just We cannot compare them like the Zimbabwe or Argentina or other countries that has super inflation, right? Hyperinflation. We cannot compare United States to these other countries because United States is not only catering to its own country, its currency is catering to the whole world. Okay? That is the unique position of the US dollar. That's why when the stock market, why am I saying this? When the stock market opens in the US, it is the most volatile because everybody uses US dollar. So the Bitcoin moves, the crypto always follows the stocks. So if the stocks are red, then you can know that the Bitcoin will be red, the crypto will be red. If the stocks are green, then everything will be green. Okay? So I hope I can give you some. I'm not a master of it. I'm just a student of economy or economist. So I'm still learning. So you can correct me if I'm wrong, no problem. Okay? I'm not the master of it. I'm just here to do technical analysis. Okay, so all the best. Cheers. Let us make money.